In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Figma design into your Squarespace website. This simple guide will walk you through each step you need to follow to get your Figma files seamlessly integrated into your site. So, if you're ready, let's dive right in. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head over to Squarespace. This is where the magic starts. Once you're on the Squarespace homepage, you'll want to locate and click on the Websites option. Doing so will take you to a section where you can manage your sites. Here, you'll need to identify the website you want to make changes to and click the Edit button next to it. This will open the website editor, an intuitive space where you'll have the power to customize your site in numerous ways. Now, within your website editor, direct your attention to the side menu where you'll find an option labeled Add Block. Clicking on this opens a wide variety of building blocks you can add to your site. For our purposes, you're going to look for the Embed block. Once you've found it, click to select it, and this will add a new block to your selected page. The Embed block is an essential tool because it allows you to include content from external sources right on your web page, and that's exactly what we need for our Figma design. With your Embed block now on the page, the next step is crucial. We need to grab the embed code from your Figma design, so let's quickly move over to Figma. In your Figma account, open the design project you're looking to embed. In the top right corner of the design interface, you should notice a Share button. Click this, and among the available options, you'll find one that allows you to copy the embed code. Go ahead and copy that embed code to your clipboard. Once you have the embed code ready, return to your Squarespace website editor where your new embed block awaits. Click on this block, and a field will appear for you to paste your embed code. Simply paste the code you copied from Figma into this field, and your design will now be embedded in your Squarespace site. It's a straightforward process that opens up lots of creative possibilities for showcasing your work or enhancing the visual appeal of your website. And there you have it. You've successfully embedded a Figma design into your Squarespace website. This method provides a dynamic way to keep your design work interactive and up to date. In just a few steps, you've learned how to integrate two powerful platforms, expanding what you can offer your visitors. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. If you found it helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might find it useful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks, and happy designing.